Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video we will be checking out the TARMACWORKS and TARMACCARDS Honda Ballade, or should I say Ballade, Sports Mugen CRX Pro. And this is a new release from TARMACWORKS and TARMACCARDS. So this is apart from the Global 64 line. And yes, it does come with the car, which is the Honda CRX, a brand new casting for this year as well. And of course, it does come with additional inclusion of a pack of Tarmac cards, which consists of 2 cards per pack. And looking over at the side right here, it does talk about the Tarmac cards as well. Comes with 2 cards, which you can hunt down for the non-serialized silver parallel or the carbon fiber parallel. Sorry, not carbon fiber parallel. If I'm not mistaken, it's called the Mugen parallel. And of course, last but not least, there is the Mugen parallel, which is serialized 99. I think it's not a Mugen parallel. I think it's called the Disco parallel, which is serialized of 199 if I'm not mistaken. So I forgot to mention the front of the box right here. Yeah, you can see that the car is sort of like at around a wall, which yeah, it looks like a concrete, nice concrete wall right there, I think. Over on this side, Global 64 and Scale Model 164 right there. On the top, it does have the TARMACWORKS logo right there, and at the bottom as well. Over at the back, TARMACWORKS Honda licensed product, manufactured by Tarmac, and then there's the name of the car, silver, colored in silver, Tarmac for good. There's your barcode and made in China, and the website and also the socials, which is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what cards do we get. Car and cards. Okay, so we got the regular car. Actually, if you don't know the car, yeah, if it's in chrome, it would be in a chase form, which my friend did manage to pull actually. So hold on, let me just bring out the usual Tarmac card stands. I forgot to put a few. Okay. Now I forgot to add the stands. Okay, there you go. Now let's take a look at the car out of the blister. So the car is in a metallic silver or metallic silver. This comes in this blister. So this is the car. The Honda CRX Ballade, Honda Ballade Sports Mugen CRX Pro in metallic silver, which I do quite like. It is quite a nice looking, sort of like a sparkly silver sort of paint job, which is cool. It does say CRX Pro on the side as well, and all. Quite a small, compact car, if you ask me. It's quite small in size, which is for a car like this size, it's standard, I would say. I forgot, is this a sedan? No, it's more like a hatchback, I think. I'm not sure. Pretty cool. Then, of course, you cannot forget the pack of Tarmac cards that it comes with, which, yeah, you're gonna see. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, this is having the new card pack. The pack design, which is new compared to the older ones where it just comes in a simple card pack. Now we have like this printed card pack, which is cool. I actually opened it already and I know already what's inside technically. So yeah, let me just show it to you guys what I actually got. Just got a regular one for this first card, which is the Mugen regular Mugen card. Here's where it gets special. The next card which is this, the Mugen Parallel. It does not have a serial, but it is quite a rare looking card. As you can see, this focuses on the rims of the car, the actual car. So it's the rims of the CRX, whereas this one's just the side view of the CRX. So I'm gonna show a full detailed view of the card first before I put the car on the turntable. I want to start off with the card. So here's the card. There you go. Does say Mugen TARMACCARDS logo. There's the car sideways. Yeah, you can kind of imagine there's the card right there. Pretty cool. Mugen CRX Pro. Honda Ballade Sports Mugen CRX Pro. Right there, Mugen Power. Over on the back, you can pause to read the information. There's a lot of info right there about the car. And then you do have some stats and specifications of the car. TARMACCARDS, Honda officially licensed. Photo by TARMACCARDS and designed by, designed in Hong Kong. Pretty cool. That's the first card. And the second card. Oh yeah, the first card, by the way, it just has a regular effect. No special PET layer. Whereas this one does come with a special PET layer, as it is a parallel, so or hollow of a card. So this one is the Mugen Parallel. As you can see, how to differentiate, you have the Japanese text in the background, which is cool. What do you call that? TarmacWorks logo right there. There's the rim design, which I do like. Love that they focused on the rim right here, which is cool. Honda Ballade Sports Mugen CRX Pro. And over on the back, you can again pause to read the information. Right there, same stats, and there's the other info, which is nice. Just gonna put this at the background. So yeah, 2 cards, pretty nice. And of course we have our car right there. So yeah, love the car. It looks like a very cute looking model. And the fact that it's fully metal body, which is cool. Let's put it on our turntable. It's gonna be pretty small compared to the turntable, actually. There it is. Oops. There you go. There's the car on the turntable. Really small. Still quite a manageable sized car. So yeah, very small, but still quite a nice one made by TarmacWorks. So I believe this is a collaboration between Tarmac and Mugen and Honda here. It's nice. So yeah, TarmacWorks and Cards has been working a lot with Honda recently, including the TarmacCards NSX cards that recently released. And yeah, this one on the other hand is still pretty cool. By the way, this is not the first color that they released. Previously, right before this silver one, was the car in Global 64 without the cards, and they released it in white. So yeah, quite recently they did release it in white, and pretty much soon they're gonna release it in blue as well, I think, metallic blue. So if you want to know whether you get the chase version or not, it's in matter of when you look at the paint job. If it's metallic, then you got the regular one. But if it's in chrome silver, then that means you got yourself a chase, which is very highly sought after, because many people want the chase nowadays since it's already in chrome. So yeah, let's take a close look at our Honda CRX Mugen right here. So there you go, that is the CRX. So yeah, we'll start off from the rims. Yeah, pretty small rims. These are the smallest I've ever seen on Tarmac cars before. Colored in silver. So like a matte silver color. And then there's the side. At the bottom of the door here, it does say CRX Pro with the Doge right there at the bottom. DOHC. And then yeah, there's the window, side window, and plastic spoiler, or is it rubber spoiler? It's a rubber spoiler, which is interesting. You do have your side blinkers here as well, detailed, which is cool. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention the trim here as well, which they did detail it out. Headlights, yeah, pretty cool as well. Nice detailed headlights. Honda logo, there's your license plate right there. You do have your front grille detailing and also your blinker details right there. Nothing much on the hood, but just a small little intake right there. Your windshield banner does say Mugen CRX Pro, regular windshield tint, blacked out interior, right hand drive right there. You can see the sparkle right there on the roof, which looks pretty nice. There's the side, pretty nice, I would say. And then moving towards the rear window, yeah, quite a massive rear window right here, with I think a a window wiper right here at the back. You do have this small little rear lip or ducktail. I think that says Honda or so, I'm not sure. CRX Pro. You have your rear lights, your brake lights, and blinkers. The license plate, and then you have your two small little exhaust tips on each side. Sorry, one on each side. And yeah, they're detailed to the bottom as well. Is it? Metal base. Interesting. You have a matte metal base right here, which is really cool. TARMACWORKS, Honda 1/64 scale Honda Ballade Sports Mugen CRX Pro, made in China. There's your base details right there with a single screw at the front. That is really nice. I think this is the first small size TARMACWORKS car that I've ever reviewed. I'm not sure, have I reviewed the Opel Kadett? Because if I have reviewed that, then maybe that's the smallest one. So yeah, this is one of the cars that's pretty small. And oh yeah, I think I've done a shorts video of the the Opel Kadett, and also a full video of that. But I'm not sure whether this is smaller or the car is smaller. I'm not sure on that. Yeah, we'll have to wait and see. So overall, a nice small looking car. Let's put it there with the cards. Overall, a nice set. Comes with the cars and the card. Overall, really do like the details and also everything that comes with it. And yeah, I hope to see more of these being released, but maybe this is my only color that I'm gonna collect for the CRX. Since it has Tarmac cards, I don't think I'll be getting other colors anytime soon. But yeah, there you go, that's my review of the Honda Ballade Sports Mugen CRX Pro, made by TARMACWORKS, and of course in the Global 64 line. Let me know what you think down in the comments about this nice looking car. And once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you soon, bye bye.